Hello everybody, Andrew Dillon here. I'm going to solve out the basic costs of the customer's bicycles, and now I'm going to fill in the bicycle costs, and then the rest of these tables are going to be in sum tables. So watch as I do. So start off, we're going to do bicycle costs. Okay? And then for 31, 76. No, same one, no. 428. Right, we're going to do interest payable, and that's going to be the four sum table. So let's do now. H equals H lookup. So D7 bracket rates bracket 2 and multiply that by C7. Now we're going to do total payable. It's short, by the way. It's only C7 plus D7. Number of payments. The amount of payments that the bicycle is cost by the customer. Now this sum is going to be an if statement, and it's deposit due of the cost of the payments of the bicycle. So equals if F7 350 and F7 you can multiply by 20%. Or else F7 is multiplied by 15%. Okay. Now we're going to do the monthly amount. Equals F7 minus G7 bracket and divide that by the number of payments, which is D7. F7 take away D7 bracket minus D7. Now we got all the answers. Now we can move that bracket down and auto sum the rest of the customers and then get an answer. Same with the total payable. And now our answers for deposit due. And now last but not least, the monthly amounts answers. Right. Now these were only just my guesses. So I'm going to put the answers in. It says interest payable, which is the answer here. It's 69. So I'm going to change 60 to 69. And the rest of it and so on till the last customer. And one more to go. I'm going to put these all into a color. So customer's name. See borders, put borders all around the spreadsheets. And change all this into one color. I'm going to change these to pounds, I'll say. A policy is going to be in percentages, percents. Right, and that's the end. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope you learned a lot about this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Very good experience of doing this presentation video. So thank you very much. Adios.